Hello, it's Miss Hake back with some more literacy. We're talking about the letter H and houses or homes. That was an interesting video about all the different type of houses that are all over this planet. Has anybody ever been inside an igloo? Does anybody live in an apartment building, like a tower or high rise? Has anybody ever been in one? What about a townhouse where you share a wall with somebody? Or a whole detached house where you get to run around and run around and run around and you have your own front yard and backyard? I wonder what type of house you live in. How many houses have you lived in? Sometimes Miss Hake moved a lot when she was little. I think I had 4 or 5 houses before I became an adult. How many houses have you lived in? I wonder what your house looks like. Could you take a moment and think about what your house looks like and give it some descriptive words? Like we've been talking about descriptive words all week. Is it big? Is it small? Is it tall? Is it long? Is it brick? Is it siding? Is it made of sticks? Is it made of cement? Is it made of stucco? Does it have a pointy roof? I wonder. So you're going to take a moment, you're going to put a picture of your house in your brain, and then I want you to draw your house and kind of describe what it looks like with words. And if you need help describing it, that's okay. Just do your best to draw all the details. So if you're going to draw your house red, make sure your house really is red. My house is white, so I'm going to draw my house, and it has a porch and a blue porch swing. So I'm going to include that in my details. And these are all descriptive words and details to describe our houses. So have fun drawing the house that you live in, and I will see you soon.